Hola! Welcome to Spanish in Scene, tu escuela de español.
I am absolutely thrilled to guide you through today's B1 level explainer. As your teacher, my biggest goal is to help you speak with real confidence and clarity. So today, we're moving way beyond basic vocabulary. We're going to look at how native speakers naturally express results and appearances, making you sound a whole lot more fluent. Section 1. The core theory of Quedar. So this resultative structure is actually super straightforward. We just take a subject, add the verb quedar, and then follow it directly with an adjective or an adverb. In this context, quedar basically translates to turn out, to look, to end up looking, or even to fit when we're talking about clothes. It perfectly captures the final state or appearance of something. Let's see how this works in action. Listen closely. Las fotos quedaron bacán. In English, that translates to the photos turned out great, or they look awesome. Notice how quedaron really captures that final result. Okay, now it's your turn to build that muscle memory. I warmly invite you to pause this explainer right here, listen to the example again, pause, and repeat the sentence out loud. This shadowing technique is exactly how you build true fluency. Go ahead and practice. Section 2. Alternative verbs for results. Let's expand your vocabulary toolbox with 4 fantastic alternative verbs. First up, salir, which means to turn out or come out. Next is verse, meaning to look or appear. Then we have resultar, which is to turn out to be. And finally, terminar followed by a gerund, meaning to end up. Here's our first alternative. Listen closely. La torta le salió deliciosa. In English, this means the cake turned out delicious. See how we use salió to express that tasty final result? Now, focusing on personal appearance. Te ves muy elegante. The translation for this lovely compliment is, you look very elegant. Using verse is literally the best way to comment on someone's appearance. What about a more professional context? La reunión resultó un éxito. Translated to English, this means the meeting was a success. Resultar perfectly summarizes an outcome like this. For our final example, consider this transformation. La pintura terminó pareciéndose a la foto. This translates to, the painting ends up looking like a photo. We use terminó right alongside the gerund to show that ultimate final result. And we're back to active practice. Please pause the explainer right now, take a moment to read through all 4 of these new alternative examples, and shadow them out loud. Hearing yourself actually speak these structures is the secret sauce to making them stick. Take a moment to practice. Keep practicing a little every day to see amazing results. Hasta la próxima clase en Spanish en Sí.